Hello everybody, Nikki White here, and today we are going to the official Miffy Museum, also known as the Nijntje Museum in Utrecht in the Netherlands. Located about an hour away from Amsterdam is Utrecht, which is where Dick Brunner was both born and spent most of his career. So this place is really Miffy's hometown, and you'll see lots of Miffy while you're in this city, which I did a whole separate video of all things Miffy in the Netherlands if you want to check that out. So they have these coin lockers, or actually not coin, pay, to put your stuff in, which is quite nice because then you don't have to carry it around, especially since it's a museum for kids. Okay, we're gonna go for K with the cat. Some things to note about the Miffy Museum is that it is first and foremost a museum for children. So what that means for you as an adult, if you are traveling there with no children and you're just a big kid like me, it means you have to select a specific time slot for the ticket entry time. It means you have to select a specific time slot on their ticket website. As an adult, you can only go for a 3 to 5 time slot, which is more than enough time, I found. I was there right at 3 and I spent about an hour total at the museum. These chairs are straight out of Animal Crossing. So I'm currently sitting inside the Miffy Cafe, and they serve like light refreshments like coffee, tea, cold drinks like juice, sodas. And they do have some Miffy themed sandwiches and stuff, but since I just stuffed my face, I'm not really too interested in eating right now, but the place is so cute. It is very like primary and elementary school themed, but let's go take a look at the menu. Damn. Maybe I'll get that, but like there's nothing special about it. Imagine you could get lit up at the Miffy Cafe. Oh. I already stuffed my face, so I'm not really hungry. Like, I guess I'd get that if I was, but like, ugh, there's nothing even, like if there was a Miffy on it or something special, maybe. But for these prices and the fact that I'm already full, I don't think so. I love that they have the little details on the ground there too. Something else to note about the Miffy Museum, since this is a children's museum, there is no gift shop or Miffy merch for sale in this museum. Rather, if you're looking for Miffy merch, go across the street to Centraal Museum. That's where they have the recreation of Dick Brunner's atelier, and there is a gift shop right on the first floor. So you don't have to spend a ticket coming in here or going into Centraal. You can just walk in off the streets and buy some Miffy merch at the gift shop. Oh, good. I need both of these. I sure am trying my best not to get any pesky children in my shots because it is a museum primarily for children, but there are a few adults, myself and some Japanese tourists included, that are here just to see the cute Miffy stuff. I am just a big kid, so that's why I'm here. I'm not here to film kids. Now, if you do have children, this is totally a magical space for them, I'm sure, to be interacting with and playing with everything. As an adult, I just kind of looked around, but I still definitely think it's worth it if you're a huge Miffy fan like myself, and especially if you are hungry. I think it would be super cute to grab something at the Miffy Cafe and then get to look around, enjoy the artwork, and just soak in everything that this town has to offer. Wow, is this me dying? So it is quite interesting to get to see some other work by Dick Bruna instead of just Miffy. Even though this is the Nijntje Museum, they still have other illustrations by him. So it is cool to see that, because at Central they mainly just had the studio recreation, whereas here it's obviously for children, but you can still see some art. And if you have kids, they can interact with it. Speaking of our boy, the fashion room. Who's this literal donkey? May your alphabet letter be cooler than mine, because I got ripped off with a kangaroo. What? I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's like a wonky mirror. My feet are huge. So on the second floor, they are screening a little animated film, Boris and the Umbrella, which I'm guessing I can't film in. It looks like they screen daily until 4:30, and the museum closes at 5. I'm trying my best to dodge children out here. I'm just a big kid. Like, let me live my life as a big kid. I feel like it looks like she's buried some bodies, and I know where they are. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Okay, see you. Bye.